Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. We just want to show you how you can manipulate data quickly for your financials or your report. Just visualize, or should I say, just imagine you getting your trial balance or any other data from the system, and it comes out in this way, where you have a code and you have the account description. You have the code, the account code, and the account description. But what you want to do, you only want to have the account description. We can use different types of formulas. You can use the mid, mix, and all these other things, find and all that. But you want to do it very quickly. And this is how you can do it. You just pick the first one there, because it's the same pattern. All you want to pick is data within the brackets. So I'll do like this. I'll go down here and press Ctrl E, which is filling this thing. So you just press Ctrl E, or let me do this, or pick that, pick that, like you're done. Highlight and go to data, I think. Let's go to home first. Home, go to fill and flash fill. Thank you and bye-bye. Have a lovely day.